First of all, in the Mario sprite, you'll go to the change camera X and Y and you just delete it entirely. At the define reset, set camera X to 240 and camera Y to 180. And then make a new custom block called Move Cam. Cam is for camera, but short. So, in the define move camera script, we'll set camera X to a new variable called X for this sprite only. And we'll change camera Y by another variable called Y for this sprite only. Y minus divided by Y minus camera Y divided by 4. Then if camera X less than 240, then set camera X to 240. If camera Y is less than 180, we'll set camera Y to 180. Of course, it won't do anything now, which is what should happen. Now, in the define move player, move it into some space. So, in the when I receive move player, make a new variable called speed X for this sprite only, and speed Y for this sprite only. We'll set speed X to stick X less than 0.7. Wait, no, not 0. Negative 0.7 minus stick X more than 0.7 times 6. Then we'll set speed Y. Make a new variable, speed Y for this sprite only. Wait, what? Oh, speed Y already exists. Okay, sorry. Instead of stick X, you do stick Y. Stick Y if you're using the joystick. If you're using arrow keys, if left arrow, right arrow, down arrow, up arrow. Now we'll change the X by speed X. Now we'll change the X by speed X. Then we'll make a new block called fix collision in the X colon with an input X, then Y colon with the input Y. Run without screen refresh. We'll put that under here, and we'll put the value of speed X, and in here 0. So in the define fixed collision in the Oh yes, you fix collision in the make a new variable called solid. This will take track of whether we're hitting a block or not. We'll set the solid to nothing. After that, we'll make another block called fix collision at point x colon x. Then y colon y. Run without screen refresh. And we'll put that here for now. And do the x and y variables. So in the fixed collision at point, we'll make another new block called get child at x colon x y colon y. Run without screen refresh. We'll make a new variable called child y for this sprite only, child x for this sprite only, child index for this sprite only, and child for this sprite only. 4 variables. We'll set child x. We'll set child x to the floor operator, the floor of divided by the x divided by 32, and we'll set child y. We'll set child y to y divided by 32, and we'll set child index to plus 1 plus child y plus child x times grid height. Grid height. And we'll set the tile to item tile index of tile grid. At the fixed collision at point, we'll put the get tile at block and put the x variable and y variable, not the variable but the pink one. Then if the tile is more than 2, if tile is more than 2, set the solid to 10. Then we'll duplicate at the defined fixed collision inter. We'll duplicate the fixed collision at point and plus a new variable called height for the sprite only. Y plus Mario's height, and then duplicate again and do y minus Mario's height. And then and then if the solid is more than 0, we'll change the x by 0 minus x and y to 0 minus y. Now if you move your joystick, why is it not working? Oh yeah, I still didn't use the move cam yet. Yeah, that's all. The define move cam. Wait, did I do everything? Yes. Okay, so now when I receive move player script, after the fixed collision endure speed x, we'll change the y by speed y. Then we'll fix collision endure 0 and speed y. After that, we put move cam and go to wait. And then we'll put a go to x, y. We'll go to x minus camera x and y minus, you guessed it, camera y. And after all of that work, oh, I know what's happening. Go to the define reset script. Define reset. You set the x to 100 and the y 180. The x to 240 actually, to make it go to the corner. And we'll set the height variable, the height to 40. Just arranging so it looks better. Okay, now if you move down and you try to hit the wall, it won't do anything. Well, if you switch costume to the normal Mario instead of the mini Mario, why is it? Wait. Yeah, you set the height to 40. Oh, is it 20? Because it's half the height. Okay, it was 20. So now this works. So now you have collision and and you can't see the fall stuff when you go down. You can move the camera forever, although it won't do anything because it won't move like at all. You see? And now this is the end of this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and goodbye. Hope you have a good time.